Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Welcome to Reverts Corner. Here you'll find classes pertaining to traditional Islam, including Arabic language, Quran learning and reflections, Salah, prayer, Aqidah, Seerah of the Prophet Muhammad alayhi salatu wasalam, and Islamic lectures, and more. The intention is to mainly convey the message of Islam to all of humanity and serve reverts and Muslims in general with resources, education, and guidance. In today's class, inshallah, we'll be talking about Arabic pronouns. In Arabic, it's called الضمائر العربية. الضمائر العربية. Singular for damir. Singular for damir. By the end of this class, inshallah, you will learn all pronouns in the Arabic language, their types, and how they are used in sentences, including examples from the Quran, inshallah. So why Arabic pronouns? Arabic pronouns stream speech by replacing nouns and adapting to gender, number, and person. Pronouns or dama'ir al-Arabiya are words that replace nouns in a sentence or noun phrases. Arabic pronouns help us avoid unnecessary repetition and make our speech and writing more concise and elegant. There are 14 personal pronouns in the Arabic language. Of course, when we account for the masculine and feminine variation of the dual pronouns. These 14 personal pronouns represent the different ways we can refer to ourselves, the people we're talking to, and the people or things we're talking about. They play a vital role in sentence clarity. This simplified course will make mastering them practical and engaging for learners and students. We have several distinct pronoun families in the Arabic language. Number one, we have personal pronouns, الضمائر الشخصية. These are the stars of the show, used to refer to people. Number two, we have demonstrative pronouns. This point to specific things or people, like this pen or that pen. Number three, we have relative pronouns. This introduce relative clauses, providing extra information about a noun. And number four, we have interrogative pronouns, and these are the question words like who's that, what is it, and where did he come from, and more. We'll discuss all of them one by one. Personal pronouns or الضمائر الشخصية refer to specific people or things. These are further divided into two main types: attached pronouns, الضمائر المتصلة, and detached pronouns, الضمائر المنفصلة. So each type has distinct characteristics and functions. Detached pronouns in Arabic are independent pronouns that stand alone and are not attached to any word. These pronouns are also divided into two main categories. We have nominative detached pronouns, ضمائر الرفع المنفصلة, and accusative detached pronouns, ضمائر النصب المنفصلة. However, in today's class, we'll focus on nominative detached pronouns, ضمائر الرفع المنفصلة. These pronouns function as the subject of a verb or the predicate of a nominal sentence. So you may call them subject pronouns because they express the doer of an action or the main entity in a statement. As I explained earlier, Arabic pronouns vary based on three things. Number one, person. Is the person speaking first, second, or third? The first person, the one who speaks, is called in Arabic al-mutakallim. The second person, the one addressed, is called in Arabic al-mukhatab. The third person, the one who is absent, is called in Arabic al-ghaib. Number two is the number. Is the person speaking singular, dual, or plural? The singular is called in Arabic al-mufrad. The dual is called in Arabic al-muthanna, and the plural is called al-jama'. And number three is the gender, whether the person speaking masculine or feminine. Masculine is called in Arabic al-mudhakkar, and feminine is called in Arabic al-mu'annath. The following is a simple breakdown of Arabic pronouns summarized in a handy chart categorized by gender. We'll start with gender-neutral pronouns. Keep this chart handy as you continue your Arabic learning journey. It's a valuable tool to quickly reference the different forms and functions of personal pronouns. The chart is divided into person, number, gender, pronoun Arabic, pronoun transliteration, and English equivalent. If the first person is singular, male or female, we say ana, not ana. The English equivalent is I. For example, ana muslimun. If the first person speaking, plural, whether it's masculine or feminine, we say nahnu, nahnu, the English equivalent of we. An example, nahnu muslimun, nahnu muslimun. The next chart is masculine Arabic pronouns. We'll use the same chart for the masculine. If the second person speaking is singular, we say anta, anta. The English equivalent is you. For the third person speaker, singular masculine, we say huwa, huwa, equivalent for he. For the second person dual masculine, we say antuma, antuma. The English equivalent is you two. For the third person dual masculine, we say huma, huma, the two. The second person speaking plural masculine, we say antum, antum, you all. The third person speaking in plural and masculine, we say hum, hum. The English equivalent is the all or all of them. We'll take examples for the masculine pronouns. Anta muslimun, you are a Muslim. Huwa muslimun, he is a Muslim. Antuma muslimani, both of you are Muslims. Huma musliman, those two are Muslims. Antum muslimun, all of you are Muslims. Hum muslimun, they are all Muslims. Next chart is going to be the feminine Arabic pronouns. Feminine Arabic pronouns. All right, same chart for the feminine. Second person speaking singular female, anti, anti, you in English equivalent. The third singular feminine, we say in Arabic hiya, for she in the English equivalent. The second dual feminine, we say antuma, antuma, you two. The third dual feminine, we say huma, huma, the two in the English equivalent. The second plural feminine, we say antunna, antunna, you all. The third plural feminine, we say hunna, hunna, the all. Examples of feminine pronouns: anti muslimatun, you are a Muslim. Hiya muslimatun, she is a Muslim. Antuma muslimatani, both of you are Muslims. Huma muslimatani, those two are Muslims. Antunna muslimatun, all of you are Muslims. Hunna muslimatun, they are all Muslims. All right, we'll take Arabic personal pronouns in the Quran. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, Inna nahnu nazzalna dhikra wa inna lahu lahafidhun. Surely we, nahnu, have revealed the reminder, and we will most surely be its guardian. Notice that although the oneness of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala at-Tawheed is one of the main teachings of Islam, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sometimes talks about himself in the plural form. The use of the pronoun we by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is to connote divine majesty and royalty. I will do a separate video inshallah about the plural pronoun we. If Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is one, then why does he refer to himself with the plural pronoun we? Another example, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, Allahu la ilaha illa huwa وعلى الله فليتوكل المؤمنون. Allah, there is no God but He, Huwa, and upon Allah, then let the believers rely. Furthermore, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, قُلْ هُوَ اللَّهُ أَحَدٌ. قُلْ هُوَ اللَّهُ أَحَدٌ. Say, He is Allah, God, the one and only true God. Another example from the Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, وَقَضَى رَبُّكَ أَلَّا تَعْبُدُوا إِلَّا إِيَّاهُ وَبِالْوَالِدَيْنِ إِحْسَانًا إِمَّا يَبْلُغَنَّ عِندَكَ الْكِبَرَ أَحَدُهُمَا أَوْ كِلَاهُمَا فَلَا تَقُل لَّهُمَا أُفٍّ وَلَا تَنْهَرْهُمَا وَقُل لَّهُمَا قَوْلًا كَرِيمًا. Your Lord has commanded that you should worship none but Him, and show kindness to your parents. If either or both of them attain old age with you, say no word of contempt to them, and do not rebuke them, but always speak gently to them. Furthermore, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, سلام هي حتى مطلع الفجر. سلام هي حتى مطلع الفجر. Peace it is till the rising of dawn. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, هو الذي أنزل عليك الكتاب منه آيات محكمات هن أم الكتاب وأخر متشابهات. It is He who has sent down to you the book. Parts of it are definitive verses, which are the mother of the book, while others are metaphorical. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala also says in the Quran, وَقُلْ رَبِّ أَنزِلْنِي مُنزَلًا مُبَارَكًا وَأَنْتَ خَيْرُ الْمُنزِلِينَ. And say, my Lord, land me with a blessed landing, for you are the best of those who bring ashore. Another example, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, وَإِذَا سَأَلْتُمُوهُنَّ مَتَاعًا فَاسْأَلُوهُنَّ مِنْ وَرَاءِ حِجَابٍ ذَلِكُمْ أَطْهَرُ لِقُلُوبِكُمْ وَقُلُوبِهِنَّ. And when you ask his wives for any object, ask them from behind a curtain. That is cleaner for your hearts and theirs. One last example, inshallah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, لَقَدْ وُعِدْنَا نَحْنُ وَآبَاؤُنَا هَذَا مِنْ قَبْلِ إِنْ هَذَا إِلَّا أَسَاطِيرُ الْأَوَّلِينَ. Certainly, we and our fathers were promised this before, but these are nothing but myths of the ancient. This is a summary of the personal Arabic pronouns in the form of nominative detached pronouns, ضمائر الرفع المنفصلة. In the next class, inshallah, we'll discuss accusative detached pronouns, ضمائر النصب المنفصلة. I hope you benefited from this class today. Till next time, في أمان الله ورعايته. والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.